Hi there. Do you own or manage a business, and are you wondering whether your business is required to comply with the Corporate Transparency Act that went into effect on January 1, 2024? I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners, and this is one part of a series of videos that I'm recording to explain the various components of the Corporate Transparency Act. In this video, I'm going to explain which companies are required to report to FinCEN, the government agency that will be accepting the information required to be reported. And by the way, I'll explain what that information is and how to report that information in other videos. So, what is a reporting company? Well, the broad definition of reporting company under the Act is any corporation, LLC, or other entity that was created by filing or with a document with a state agency, and any foreign company that is created outside of the United States that registered in a state within the United States to do business in the United States. Well, that pretty much covers every single entity in the country, right? Yes. However, there are 23 exemptions. And if your company falls within one of the exemptions, then your company is relieved from the reporting requirement. So really what's important is not so much to understand what the definition of a reporting company is, but to understand what the exemptions are. I will tell you that generally the exemptions apply to large companies, and most small businesses in the United States will not fall within an exemption. But let me briefly explain what those exemptions are. So the first is any large company that has more than 20 full-time employees in the United States and 5 million or more in gross receipts. That's the first exemption. The second exemption is a kind of a combination of entities that are funds, venture capital companies, private equity companies, any SEC, that's Securities and Exchange Commission registered advisors. All of those types of entities are grouped into one overall exemption. The next are certain subsidiaries of exempt companies. So, if an exempt company owns a subsidiary, then generally the subsidiaries will also be exempt. As you can see, there is a broad swath of companies that are not able to claim an exemption, which again means that most small businesses in the United States are going to have to report under the Corporate Transparency Act. Please see my other videos for definitions of what a company applicant is, what a beneficial owner is, and for the deadlines for filing. Also, you can go to the comments below and get a link to download a summary that we've prepared for you. And at any time, you can call us or email us. Our contact information is below. Thank you.